There's a YouTube channel with no face, no voice, no name. It uploaded just 23 videos between 2013 and 2016 and then disappeared. But years later, people noticed something strange. The events mentioned in those videos, they started happening. A blackout in Turkey, a mysterious virus in Asia, a celebrity's death, down to the exact day. This isn't a coincidence. This is something else. Welcome to Don't Be Afraid. Let's dive into a digital rabbit hole you won't forget. The channel was first discovered on Reddit in 2019. A user named The Third Watcher posted a thread titled, "This channel predicted the 2015 eclipse blackout a year early." The thread was deleted, but not before others began watching. The channel's name, YTN23X. No profile picture, no about section, the banner, just a black bar. It had 23 videos, all uploaded between 2013 and 2016. Video titles were cryptic, like Phase 0 to 3, Signal Loss. Gate Opening, 2014-3-25. He will not see April. Strange? Definitely. But the deeper people looked, the weirder it got. In a 2014 video titled Blue Phase March Down, at timestamp 2:13, a distorted map flashes briefly. It shows the eastern coast of Asia. When the audio is run through a spectrogram, hidden Morse code appears. It reads, Novel Strain, 2020. Years later, in 2020, COVID-19. Another video, Grid Echo, 2015 March 31st. It shows glitched electrical towers. The last frame? Silent Tuesday, Nation blacks out. On March 31st, 2015, the day in the title, Turkey experienced one of the largest power blackouts in its history. The entire country went dark. Then there's The Mask Will Drop, 042016. A single frame shows what looks like a blurred face, similar to Prince. Playing the video in reverse reveals a distorted voice. He will not see May. Prince died on April 21st, 2016. That video was uploaded before it happened. Another video titled Red Tide 11082016 shows glitched American flags. A distorted voice whispers, "The unexpected will win." It was uploaded 1 week before Donald Trump won the US election. Reddit exploded with speculation. One post on r/unresolved mysteries reached over 12,000 upvotes. Some claimed it was an advanced AI. Others believed it was part of an alternate reality game. YouTube comments ranged from, "This is fake but fun," to, "I work in data security." Some of these patterns are too accurate to be random. So who made this channel? No name, no link, no monetization, no ads, just messages. Here are the 3 leading theories. Theory 1, a predictive AI, an experimental machine trained to forecast trends, released into the wild to see who notices. Theory 2, a storytelling IARG like Local 58 or Cicada 3301, a game meant to blur reality and fiction, but no ending has ever been found. Theory 3, an insider leak, a whistleblower from within a government agency leaking encrypted warnings about world events before they happen. The last upload on the channel? A video titled Signal Ends 2323. One final message appears before the screen goes black. You've been warned. Was it real? A prank? Or something no one has fully understood yet? One thing's for sure. Some things on the internet were never meant to be found. And now you've found one. Don't be afraid.